Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, we explain the complete setup process of the Tenda CP6 Security Pan Tilt Camera in a simple and easy way. You'll learn how to install the TDSEE app, add the camera, connect it to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and finish the setup using the QR code method. Watch till the end for useful tips to avoid setup errors and get the best performance from your Tenda CP6 Security camera. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will discuss some key features of the Tenda CP6 camera. The Tenda CP6 offers wide area monitoring with smooth pan and tilt movement for full room coverage. It delivers sharp HD video with infrared night vision for clear monitoring even in low light. Now unbox the camera box. Inside the Tenda CP6 Security Pan Tilt Camera box, you'll find the CP6 Wi-Fi camera, a power adapter with cable, a mounting kit with screws, and a quick start guide to help you set it up easily. Everything you need to install and start using the camera at home or office is included. Plug the Tenda CP6 camera into a power socket. Wait for the camera to turn on. You will hear a voice prompt like waiting for connection. If not, press and hold the reset button for 5 to 8 seconds until you hear the reset sound. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for TDSEE. Download and install the app. Open the app and sign up/log in to your account. Turn Wi-Fi on your phone. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable. Turn mobile data OFF to avoid setup interruptions. The Tenda CP6 does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Open the TDSEE app. Tap on Add Device. Select IP camera or Tenda CP6 from the list. Choose Wi-Fi configuration/QR code setup. Select your Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list. Carefully type the Wi-Fi password. Double-check the password for errors. Tap Next/Confirm. The app will generate a QR code on your phone screen. Scan the QR code with the camera. Increase your phone screen brightness to 100%. Hold your phone 15 to 20 centimeters, 6 to 8 inches, in front of the camera lens. Keep the QR code centered and steady. Avoid shaking your phone. Make sure there is no direct sunlight on the camera lens. Wait for a few seconds until the camera reads the code. You will hear a voice prompt like QR code scanned successfully. After scanning, the camera will automatically start connecting to Wi-Fi. This process may take 30 to 90 seconds. Do not unplug the camera during this time. When connected, you will hear Wi-Fi connected successfully. The live camera feed will appear in the TDSEE app. Assign a camera name, e.g., living room, office. Select the camera location. Tap Finish. The QR code setup is now fully completed. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.